Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to withdraw money from Binance. Firstly, log into your Binance account, then navigate to the Buy Crypto section at the top of the page. Select the Sell tab from the drop-down menu. From your account, pick the digital asset you want to sell. Specify the amount of cryptocurrency you'd like to cash out by entering it in the input field. Choose the fiat cryptocurrency like USDT, Euro, or GBP you want to receive in your bank account. Because Binance supports a variety of major currencies, so select the one that matches your bank account. Now pick your preferred method for transferring funds like bank transfer or online banking. Enter your bank details or select from previously saved accounts. Just double check the information and click confirm to proceed. All you have to do is click on Sell to finalize the conversion of the crypto to fiat. Follow any additional verification steps, and once completed, Binance will process your fiat withdrawal. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.